loves, it's Brianna. Welcome to my 2018 Holiday Bath & Body Works haul. I have so many goodies. This is going to be a long haul, so grab yourself a drink and a snack and get ready to go through the best holiday scents at Bath & Body Works for 2018. I'm gonna get started with the 3-wick candles because I've already started burning some of them. I couldn't wait until I filmed this video. The first one is this vanilla balsam. And you guys are gonna laugh at me. I had to Google, I wanted to make sure I finally was pronouncing this correctly. It's vanilla balsam. And oh, I love this one. I lit it while I was putting up my decorations for Christmas because it is just the perfect combination of that like Christmas tree scent, but still that homey vanilla scent. It says it's balsam fir, frosted vanilla, and snow-capped pine needles. This is a really good one this year. This is one of my favorites. All right, the next candle, because the packaging just got me with this like knit sweater reindeer print. I just think it's so cute, but the Merry Cookie. I've gotten this candle other years. Oh, and it smells so much like fresh baked cookies. That's a fun question. While you watch this video, tell me, what is your favorite Christmas cookie to make every single year? I'm curious to know, and I'm debating sharing like some Christmas cookie recipes with you guys, but that just gets me so excited to bake. It's fresh baked cookies, sparkling sugar crystals, and rich vanilla. I love this one, and just the packaging is really, really on point this year. This one, very similar packaging, but with that pretty mint color and the Christmas trees, which is perfect for the scent. This is Peppermint Brownie, and I've recently started liking peppermint mochas. It wasn't until this year that I would ever order one, and oh my gosh, that is, like literally, that is what this smells like. Oh, some of these I ordered online, and a couple I went and I picked up in the store early because I wanted some to light while I did my decorating. So this is one I didn't smell, but oh my gosh, that is so wonderful. It's crushed candy canes, rich mocha, and whipped cream. So it literally smells like a peppermint mocha. I love that one. That would be perfect to light in the mornings, like while you're having your morning coffee, because it gives you that like pick-me-up peppermint sort of a scent. This next one is one I've already lit. It is maple cinnamon pancakes. It just smells like making breakfast. Ah, it smells so good. It's nutmeg essential oils, maple syrup, and fluffy buttermilk pancakes. Oh, that one is so good. That's a perfect kitchen scent too. I literally am just going to need to like binge carbs after filming this. This one is spiced gingerbread. This was one I ordered and couldn't smell. Ooh, I love that one. I actually don't make gingerbread cookies, but I love the smell of this candle. It like makes me want to find a recipe. So it's vanilla icing, cinnamon sugar, and fresh ground nutmeg. So it just smells like baking. I actually, for Thanksgiving, because we host, I think I'm gonna use this one because I just like the brown color for in our dining rooms and light it, because I feel like even though it's gingerbread, it has a really nice scent for Thanksgiving too. Which, by the way, the day you will be seeing this, my next video on my channel will be my Thanksgiving decor video. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure you're subscribed because that video will be coming up after this one. This one, it just puts me in such a mood to clean. It's called Crushed Candy Cane. And again, this packaging is just so cute. This one actually has candy canes and little peppermints in that sweater knit kind of design. Oh my gosh, it legit smells like a candy cane. It's so good and so clean smelling because I love the Mrs. Meyer's peppermint scent for the holidays. It's my favorite one to use to clean, and this would coordinate perfectly. Like if I wanted my whole house to just smell like I just cleaned with that, this one is amazing. We wait to get our tree until the day after Thanksgiving, and I got this one. I thought it would be nice to sort of light until then if I want that Christmas tree scent, but it's called Evergreen, and it smells like a freshly washed man kind of too. So this one is cedarwood, cinnamon essential oils with notes of fir needle and pine. It just smells so nice. It has like a masculine scent. This could be good for like Adam's man cave or his like bathroom. This one is very similar, but I liked both of them. This one smells a bit more to me like the Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine cleaner, so that's why I got this, because I figured it would coordinate well with that when I'm cleaning with that one. It's fresh balsam, it's pine, cedarwood, and eucalyptus essential oils. So the eucalyptus just, I think, makes it smell like a bit more of like clean and fresh, but it still has that really nice pine sort of a scent. All right, this candle a ton of people recommended to me. It is called Yuletide. Ooh, It's very like fresh and clean. I feel like it has to have that eucalyptus too. It's made with rosemary, pine essential oils with notes of eucalyptus and cedar. So it is, this is funny. It almost smells like church at Christmas. Like something in this reminds me of like going to my poppy's church at Christmas. Wow, that just like brought back a ton of memories. It's crazy how much scents can kind of bring you back to a certain place in time. It's kind of crazy. And they're having some sort of a deal when I placed my order on these smaller size candles, so I decided to get 2 of them to try them out and see if I liked them in this size. But Vanilla Bean Noel, it is my favorite scent at Bath & Body Works of all time. This is like my favorite kind of body sort of scent, but I had to get this in the candle too. It just smells so good. It is my absolute favorite of all time. And then this one is the Snowflakes and Citrus. And I love like the sort of like blue minty color of this candle this year, but that smells so good. Like I honestly wish that there was a cleaning product that had this smell. It's so good. So it's orange, lemon, and sweet mango. It just smells so good. Okay, and I saved my favorite 3-wick candle for last. This one is the Apple Garland. I'm not kidding you. I bought 3 of these. They're like the 2 that are lit behind me. And then this one because I love it so much. I would never associate apple with Christmas. To me, it's more of a fall scent. But this Apple Garland, it is just the best, cleanest, freshest. Like when those candles, because I'm like even smelling them right now, just burning behind me. It just makes it smell like home at Christmas, like a nice, clean, crisp Christmas house. It's made with eucalyptus, cedarwood essential oils with notes of gala apples and mistletoe. It is so amazing. This one, if there is like one candle that you want to try, the Apple Garland is it. And I've heard that the best candle prices, I don't know if this is true, but I've had a couple people message me because I've seen throughout November, there's certain days they have the 3-wick candles for the $12.95. But I heard that they are even lower than that the first week of December. So when you guys are seeing this, if you're like, oh, maybe I'm gonna get some candles in a little bit, that first week of December might be when the candles are the best price, according to a couple of my followers who messaged me about it. We still have so much to go through. I don't know whether to do hand soaps next or body stuff next. Ugh, my throat's getting parched. Oh, speaking of drinks, my Boss Mom cups, the wine tumblers, these coffee cups, and I've got some other Boss Mom merch on my Etsy store. Is all up for pre-orders right now. So I will have all that information in the description box below because they've sold out now twice in like 12 hours. So I'm taking pre-orders for the holidays. But if you're interested in getting one of these, make sure you use the link down in the description box below and have your order in by Wednesday, November 28th. But just thank you so much for the support because it's crazy that both times I had them up for sale, they sold out within 12 hours. So I'm excited to be doing the pre-orders so that if you want one, you can get one. All right, I'm gonna move us along to soaps. This one is Marshmallow Flurries. I love the like pretty house on it. I think it's really cute for into winter too. Like I like sometimes when the soaps can go into winter and aren't just necessarily for Christmas. But this one is warm marshmallow, fresh lavender, and smoked woods. Then I had to get this in Vanilla Bean Noel because it's my favorite scent. So I think this is the soap I'm gonna put at my sink in our master bathroom. This next one is Cranberry Peach, and I got it to go with the Marshmallow Flurries because I thought this could be on Landon's side of the sink in the kids' bathroom, and then this could be on P's side of the sink. But it is sweet peaches, tart cranberry, and gala apples. So this one smells really fresh and fruity and clean. This soap is Spiced Gingerbread Swirl. Since Adam is a ginger, I always do a lot of gingerbread stuff. Or whenever I see gingerbread stuff, I like talk about it to him. But this one is warm gingerbread, brown sugar, and grated cinnamon, and I thought it could be really good for in his man cave. Next soap is Winter. Again, I love that this can last past Christmas, but it's spiced orange fir, balsam, and clove bud, so very like citrusy, clean smelling. And then this soap is the Twisted Peppermint. It just smells so fresh and clean. It's cool peppermint, sugared snow, and aromatic balsam. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have this one in our downstairs bathroom because in that way I can light that like crushed candy cane candle and clean with my Mrs. Meyer's peppermint scent and just have everything smelling super clean and pepperminty. Pepperminty. I feel like I said that weird. Okay, let's do Wallflowers next. I feel like I went a little bit crazy with them, but I feel like I used them up very quickly. I don't know if anybody else feels that way, that like your Wallflowers go very, very fast. So I wanted to make sure I had plenty since we do have guests coming to stay for Thanksgiving, and then I just know the holiday season will be crazy, that I just want to make sure that like everything smells good from now until Christmas. Okay, so I got some new plugs, even though I have some saved from last year, but I just sometimes feel like the plugs actually don't last very long, or like they don't smell as well when they're like from over time. So I saw some that were so cute this year. So this one with the little like lantern, and I have to like move this closer. It has like really pretty like rose gold houses in there with like a little snow scene. I just thought that was so pretty with the different metallics, so I got this one. And how cute is this? It literally looks like a snow globe, and it lights up, and it has that little red truck. So I was thinking of putting this one in the kids' bathroom because Landon's obsessed with like the trucks and the Christmas trees. So I thought this would be perfect in there for at night if he has to go potty. And then I got this little Christmas tree one. I thought this would actually go perfect in the room where we have our Christmas tree because it's all like red and golds in there. And I can't wait. I'll be doing our house tour video so that you can see all of the decor right after Thanksgiving. Because since we don't put up our tree until Black Friday, I just don't want to film the decor tour without the tree actually being up and decorated. Okay, but here are the plugs I got. So I have the Twisted Peppermint. So again, I'll like use this in the bathroom so everything's coordinated. I have the Vanilla Bean Noel, which is my all-time favorite scent ever. I think I'm gonna either use this in like our bedroom or our master bathroom because that's where I'll be getting ready and using my like body stuff, which I'll show you the really cool things soon. I got a peppermint brownie one to go with the peppermint brownie candle. I got the apple garland because that is seriously my favorite candle this year. So I wanted to get a coordinating wallflower for in here in our foyer when people come into the home. This one I thought I might use for in the kids' bathroom, but it is called Blueberry Sugar. And it is sweet blueberries, brown sugar, and graham cracker crust. So it almost has like a blueberry cheesecake sort of a smell, but I thought that would be cute for in the bathroom because mainly Landon's the one who uses that. I mean, Presley does use it too, but he's the one who's dropping stuff. He's the one who's in there the most, just because he's potty trained now. This one, I could not find any candles or anything else, but this also reminded me of the kids because my dad, if you haven't been following or if you're new, he's been in hospice for a couple of months now. And for a while, he could only stomach Frappuccino. So I would be at Starbucks every single day getting a different flavor Frappuccino. And so if the kids were with me, they learned that there were cake pops there. So I would typically get them a cake pop. And so this one is called Frosted Cake Pop. Let's see, this is buttercream icing, warm vanilla, and juicy cherries. So it's like a very cherry cake sort of a smell, and it just smells so good. But I was thinking this might be a good one for in their bathroom too, because I can be like, it's a cake pop. And then I picked up another crushed candy cane wallflower. I have a fresh balsam wallflower. This one is evergreen, which the evergreen, it says it is white fir needles, fresh cedar wood, cedar sap, and essential oils. So all like very similar sort of pine Christmas tree scents, because I know I'll be cleaning with either the peppermint or the Iowa pine scent for the most part. And then this one, I thought it sounded so pretty. It's called Winter Rose, and it's soft rose petal, pink peppercorn, and luxe sandalwood. So I'm gonna try this one out. I just realized I left one of the body products upstairs in my bathroom, so I ran up there and got it really quickly. There is some cool new stuff out this year that they have not had other years, and I've been loving trying it. So Vanilla Bean Noel, if you've watched my hauls in the past, you know that is my all-time favorite scent. Like if Bath & Body Works ever discontinues it, I really don't know what I would do. I'd probably be one of those crazy people that if somebody was like selling it on eBay, I would be like saving up my money to like buy it for $100. Ridiculous. But I got the regular shower gel. I also will use this as like bubble bath too. And I got the 24-hour body cream. And in case you don't know what Vanilla Bean Noel smells like, let me see. It says it's fresh vanilla bean, sugar cookies, warm caramel, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. It is just a special combination of scents that is so cozy, and to me, there's like, it just smells like Christmas, and my birthday's in December, so it almost has, probably because of the cookies, like that baking cake sort of a smell with the vanilla Christmas kind of scent. Like it is just the perfect scent. So I'm always obsessed with this. Like it is just my favorite time of year when this is out at Bath & Body Works. But okay, here's the cool stuff. So they have had this before, but I love this, the Diamond Shimmer Mist, and I just like how pretty the color of it is this year because it's almost like a blue minty sort of a green. These are my two like obsessions though. This is why I had to run up there and get it. Which by the way, they sell like these little hats if you're gonna be gifting anything from Bath & Body Works, that I just think like this is so stinking cute. But this is the Shimmer Fizz Body Lotion. It just makes the prettiest like shimmer on your skin when you rub it on, and it is so lightweight, which I love, because even though in the winter, like there's times my skin is dry where I'm like, ooh, I need that body cream after I like shaved my legs or something, but just for every day, I love the fact that this is like so light, and it's actually really deceiving in the container, because when I picked it up in the store, it was the last one out, and I said to the girl like, do you have any more of these? Like, I think maybe this was like a sample one because it feels so light, and she's like, oh no, it hasn't been opened, but she's like, it is just incredibly light because it's very lightweight moisturizer. So this is amazing. I'm obsessed with it. So again, if there's anything, if you're like, oh, I can only get like a couple of things, this is one you want to get. And this is the last one that is like beyond my favorite. It is the Vanilla Bean Noel Funfetti Body Scrub. So here, I have to like show you so you can like see the actual funfetti in it. Let me try to get to focus. Do you see it has like the little funfetti colors in it? But again, since my birthday is in December, funfetti cake is what I like love for my birthday cake to be every single year. So I feel like this was made for me because it just reminds me of Christmas and my birthday, and it really works on your skin. Like, it's a very creamy exfoliant, so it's not like drying out your skin while you use it. And again, like the scent is just to die for. So I feel like this would be an incredible gift. But I feel like this is by far my favorite thing in this entire haul. Save the best for last for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the thumbs up. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe because there's just so much fun stuff coming up on my channel. I'll be sharing my Thanksgiving decor with you, doing a bunch of cleaning motivation, of course, sharing my holiday home decor tours. I'll show you all around my entire house. And then starting December 1st, I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas. So get ready for a lot of vlogs, but I still have some other like cleaning videos and other videos that I'm gonna be working into the mix for you guys. So I just can't wait to do Vlogmas. I've never actually done the December 1st through Christmas Vlogmas before. I think I did like 12 days of Vlogmas one year, so I can't wait to do that for you guys. So please make sure you're subscribed, and if you already are subscribed, make sure your bell's turned on so you don't miss any of those videos that are coming up. But wishing you all a wonderful day, a very Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, and a Happy Holidays if you celebrate something else. And I hope you enjoyed this and that it was helpful if you're gonna be doing any shopping at Bath & Body Works. And share this with any friends who are like super into Bath & Body Works too. I'm always very appreciative when you share my channel and my videos. If they, you know, brighten your day, hopefully they can brighten somebody else's. And of course, make sure you're following me on my socials, my blog, all that fun stuff so that we can stay connected. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves.